Hello, my name is Max. I'm here with Babik and Annie, and we'd like to welcome you to our meeting regarding business processes, a system analyst approach of the Commonwealth Bank. Thank you for attending today. Today we're going to be looking at 5 key topics regarding the Commonwealth Bank. We're going to be studying different areas of the Commonwealth Bank that have a little bit of a problem, and we're going to pick one of those particular areas, and we're going to analyze it and figure out what best ways might be for creating a solution to this problem. The organizational areas will be organizational background, organizational resources, processes and systems, non-computerized or problematic processes and or systems, an investigation into our chosen process and or system, which will in fact be the call centers of the Commonwealth Bank. And then finally, we'll end up with a functional and non-functional requirements and some suggestions of what we think could improve the Commonwealth Bank's call centres, especially in relation to the amount of time people have to spend waiting for call centres. So we hope you enjoy this topic today, and let's get started.
The very first Commonwealth Bank of Australia branch, or CBA, was formed in Melbourne in 1912. The CBA operates within the banking and finance sector of Australia. In January of 1930, the first Sydney branch opened. This followed the Commonwealth Bank Act in 1911 by Prime Minister Andrew Fisher's Labor government and the actual commencement of operations of the Commonwealth Bank of Australia in 1912. It merged with the State Bank of Tasmania in 1930 but kept the name Commonwealth Bank of Australia. During World War I, the Commonwealth Bank offered banking to service personnel both home and abroad, during which in 1916 it opened its new headquarters in Sydney. Following more mergers, in 1960, the Reserve Bank of Australia separated from the CBA following some banking controversies. More than 700 CBA branches employ 50,000 plus people now, offering banking, home loans, insurance, investment and superannuation, international monetary transactions, and business banking and finance. According to CBA Insights, its main area of financial service grants lines of credit to corporations. They also have strategic partners, provide customer global share market access, and own multiple companies.
Organization resource of the Commonwealth Bank of Australia, CBA human resources include nearly 52,000 employees working in the branches across Australia. These staff members provide a range of services, including customer support, financial advice, and operational management. Financially, CBA holds substantial asset, enables it to offer lines of the credit to a corporation and manage the global investment. The bank also operates the multiple subsidiaries and has a strong partnership such as with the Telstar, which has boosted its financial and strategic capacity. CBA uses advanced technology platform for online and mobile banking with a focus on security and customer access to the global share market. Core businesses process CBA operations are driven by the customer relationship management, offering personalized banking services such as home loans, insurance, and superannuation products. Corporate lending is another core process as it is facilitating internationally financial transactions and wealth management services.
The CBA utilizes various systems to support the bank's diverse service which enhance customer experience, including core banking system. It's a real-time accounting process. It's commonly used for payments and transfer process. Mobile banking offers banking service on the go, allow customers to check balance, transfer money, and access other services. Cybersecurity infrastructure implements to protect against cyber threats and ensure data security, risks and compliance management system, real-time monitoring of transformation, risk analysis, and mitigate strategy.
The slowness of the global payments at the Commonwealth Bank has affected both its efficiency and competitiveness. Customers and particularly business relying on the swift international transactions are becoming frustrated. The delays which could erode the Commonwealth Bank market shares and reputation. Internally, the bank operations are under the strain. Additionally, resources are required to manage delayed transactions, track payments, and handle complaints, which will also likely to increase the operational costs. The delays also put the Commonwealth Bank at a competitive disadvantage, especially with the fintech firms and other digital solutions offering faster real-time payments options in an industry where speed is critical. The Commonwealth Bank risks losing customer to more technology advanced competitor. Add to this, there are regulatory risks as delays can complicate compliance with the internally financial regulation, adding the further operational challenges. Overall, the payment slowness is hindering in the CBA ability to maintain efficiency and the remain competitive in the market.
Digital transformation for banking and financial services are significant for the reduction of long in-branch waiting times and also enhance the overall efficiency and effectiveness of banking. The Commonwealth Bank has highlighted the need for digital transformation, the lack of which can negatively affect the customer satisfaction, can reduce the speeds of CVA banking service, and can contribute to the manual process through resource wastage. Digital transformation streamlines service by integrating digital technology, automating router tasks, offering personalization on-demand service, and reducing reliance on in-branch visit. Digital transformation also enables banks to meet the customer expectation and ensure compliance with regulatory requirement by reducing overhead costs associated with in-branch service.
Online since 2003, productreview.com.au is a website where people can go and post reviews about all types of businesses and products. It also gives overall rating scores based on consumer satisfaction. In a highly representative post to many others just the last month, a CBA customer wrote, "Absolutely useless bank. Spent 20 minutes on hold to dispute a transaction on my credit card. Finally got through to someone, verified my identity, got hung up on. Another 20 minutes on hold, calling back, spoke to another person who then put me on hold for another 10 minutes and disconnected again. Went to the branch, told to wait or call for another 60 minutes to see a banker. Worst bank ever. I wish I could change banks." According to the site, most people wait 15 minutes to an hour or more on the phone to the CBA, only to be hung up on or have the automated system send them to the wrong person, resulting in longer wait. Product Review rates Commonwealth Bank at a very low 1.5 out of 5 stars and a positive rating of 10% from 371 customers and a negative rating of 88% from 3,152 customers. The big four banks in Australia all rate roughly the same. The top 11 banks all rate from 4.3 to 5 stars. CX Central have listed a number of reasons for such wait times at call centres, including labour hire costs, offshore labour hire, weak workforce planning, agents failure to adhere to business schedules at call centres, and new customer interaction methods and media. Unfortunately, however, leaving a bank for customer dissatisfaction is not as simple as most people often have their mortgages and personal loans tied up in such banks.
The Commonwealth Bank call the centers provided essential customer support for a wide range of the banking services. 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. call center assists the customer with the tasks like account management, transaction issues, loan application, and troubleshooting. The simple request quickly and efficiently. They use an interactive voice response system or IVR, allowing the customer to securely identify themselves and then access information like account balance or recent transaction automatically and live agent free, thus reducing the wait times. For complex issues, live agents are still available to provide personalized assistance and can usually answer the financial as well as technical inquiries. The call centers are also operated 24/7 for the lost or stolen by cards by dealing 13221 and the selecting menu item number 2. Overall, the Commonwealth claim that their call center blend technology and human support to offer efficient and reliable service.
The Commonwealth Bank call centers face several challenges, including manual processes and frequent customer integration, both of which impact customer service efficiency. One of the biggest issues is long wait time, which may include manual data entry and searching through old files, which can cause delay and error in the processing. Also notes that customers hate repeating their problem when transferred, which happen mainly in non-integrated system. This can lead to ineffective workflow and poor resources, resulting in rising management costs. To overcome some of the previously mentioned issues, the Commonwealth Bank plans to install the ChatGPT-like generative AI called Hey Combank chatbot, which Ham Center of the Australian Computer Society says should improve personalized customer service and potentially reduce wait times. Central, however, noted that the introduction of AI has raised concern about potential job losses and the need for better consultation with workers.
In areas for improvement, according to the CBA customer policy, the customer care specialists are the first part of their customer contact and query service, talking to 50,000 customers a day. When you call their 1300 customer service number, you get a series of menus to choose from, and at your final keypad selection, you are usually asked to wait for one of their phone-based specialists. So even after you patiently navigate the menus, you are then asked to wait even longer for an actual human to speak to you. Such an area could be improved through the use of highly programmed artificial intelligence that can listen to a short statement of what the customer is looking for and then sort through thousands of previously recorded phone calls and customer service responses, and then suggest a series of responses to allow question clarification for better AI pre-recorded answer sorting, and failing this, then provide a human to talk to. This would also negate the necessity of a phone menu with the AI starting with, please give a brief explanation of why you are calling today.
Commonwealth Bank call centers should be fast, reliable, and user-friendly for the both customer and agent. They need to handle high volumes of call chats and emails and allow the customer hassle-free switching between the while keeping their information consistent. The automatic IVR should provide a quick response for common inquiries, and it should be easy for customer to navigate or switch to a live agent if they are so desired. Agents and AI alike should be immediately access to the customer information, helping to resolve issue quickly and efficiently. AI-based call centers should be available and integrated smoothly and simultaneously 24/7 using an advanced and powerful CBA digital platform, and especially have no delay during the non-busy banking periods, enabling a real agent to assist customers with online and mobile banking issues in the real time, since most of the calls have been answered solely by the AI. This will be guaranteed an efficient and pleasant experience for both the customer and the agent.
Non-functional requirements to emphasize aspect of security. Data encryption. It allows customer data to encrypt and transmit it, which list protecting sensitive information from unauthorized access. Access control. Implementation of access control helps to restrict system access from authorized person only and should include multi-factor authentication. Audio logging. It helps to maintain comprehensive audio logs for all systems to detect security breaches. Compliant. It adheres relevant security standards, including the General Data Protection Regulation and the Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard, or PCI-DSS, to avoid legal repercussions. Incident response. It helps to establish a robust incident response plans to quickly address and mitigate the impact of security incidents.
According to the Australian Computer Society, the CBA is set to trial AI to replace some 800 workers to be made redundant in its call centres. However, they have yet to start to this date, with the old call centre keypad menus still in place and operating. A powerful AI could take hundreds of calls at the same time. The functional requirements of such an AI system would require a complete digitized type of the last 5 years or so worth of customer assistance phone calls, from which the AI can identify multiple keywords, key topics, or small sentence topics, and provide topic-based answers. The AI should also have a complete multi-word processor and understanding of all recorded customer service help phone calls for the past 5 years or so. Our support staff can check random AI answers to ensure content accuracy and compatibility with customer inquiries as an audit of the AI's ability to match problem and the solution appropriately.
Hey, my name is Max. I'd like to thank you on behalf of myself, Anu and Babik, for attending this meeting. We hope that this meeting has been informative for you regarding the Commonwealth Bank and the improvements that can be made regarding their call centres. We'll see you in the future, and we hope that if you have any questions, feel free to contact us at any time. Thank you. Bye.